How to transfer your WhatsApp from iPhone to Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can transfer your WhatsApp from your iPhone to Android. Now this method also works for Android users, so you can transfer your WhatsApp from your Android to iPhone too. So now let's begin. First, what I want you to do is upgrade your WhatsApp to its latest version. So go to your App Store and search for WhatsApp. After you search for WhatsApp, check if there is an update available. If there is, hit update and just wait for it. After you've done that, you can open up your WhatsApp. After you open your WhatsApp, go to the settings on the bottom right. After you're there, scroll down. Now you will see chats right here. Tap on chats. Now under chats, you will see two options: move chats to Android or transfer chats to iPhone. Now, if you're transferring from your iPhone device to Android, you will need to move your chats to Android. Now tap on it and tap on start. Now you can just wait for this to complete, and after it completes, all you need to do is follow along and you can transfer it. Now as you can see right here, it says continue to your new phone. So now what you can do is you can use a one-time code that your WhatsApp will provide for you, and then you can transfer your WhatsApp data. And it's that simple, guys. So yeah, that is all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.